Hello, I would like to introduce you to the lovely Hawi.
Hello, my name is Hawi Buddha.
And Hawi, how did we meet? And how did we start off this journey?
When my kids start school, I find that these places exist. So I came to learn extra skills. Then after I finish, they approach and say, how will you want to look for a job? So I say, yes. And I came to work, which is because this is my first job, by the way. I never worked in my life. So it is very challenging. Wow. I got people supporting me around, and I don't have any experience, to be honest. I got more in my personal life to the skill I have in my work. So it's really adding value to my family. Yeah.
So have you ever thought, why did we offer you a job? What do you think that you had that made us think you're fabulous?
I have from speaking to people, doing stitching or anything I do, I learn from here. I just bring my willingness to learn and my being a genuine person.
You are. I think why this video is important is you should believe in yourself. We are a social enterprise. We just look for the good in people. And if you're committed, if you really want to get on in this world, you can, can't you?
Yeah.
Your English skills have improved so much, and your confidence has improved, and you're an inspiration to other people now. So this is why we're a social enterprise, and I just want to say thank you, Hawi. You are an amazing human being.
I'm very, thankful to you and all the team.
The team.
They really supporting me around.